So that ends up being the motivation behind your overcompensation. Him. That's the wrong place to start. Your motive has got to come from a place that's only about your identity as God's daughter and your relationship with Him. The motive can't be about fixing, not to fix you or the man. So long as you're focusing on your husband, you'll keep striving to fix things instead of healing. Striving always comes from a place of masculine energy. That means you're the one who's striving because it's you who's always trying to fix things or solve problems, whether that's with a new marriage book or program or the newest concept for conflict resolution. All this effort doesn't lead to true healing for you, and it won't fix a reverse dynamic in the marriage. Fixing might seem like it's going to give you the results that you want in your marriage, but it's not the solution that your heart's truly looking for. Here's the problem when it's you, the wife, who's doing all that fixing. Well, there's two components to it. The first part is that you have to keep repeating the process. That's why there's so many marriage books and blogs and programs out here on the market, because they never stick. And that's what leads to the second part, which is the real problem of needing to always buy newer or different programs or to subscribe to different ideas. Fixing can mimic healing. When you identify what you think might be a possible solution for your marriage and then you implement it, you will experience a change, and that feels good. But then what you always find is that it's short-lived. In some cases, like in my situation, it only lasted for maybe 2 or 3 weeks. The newness of the change tricks your heart and mind into believing that the problem's been fixed or that the conflict's been resolved. And now you've got a better marriage, and woohoo, you're finally going in the right direction. This kind of mimicking is related to mental substitution or progress that's an illusion. It's a phenomenon that happens when you talk about or think about a goal. It gives your brain a sense of accomplishment, even though no real or true progress has been made. What repeatedly happens is that the same issue reappears in a different form. Then you're back to where you started, and in a lot of cases, it's worse than before. This is why it feels like you're going round and around the same set of problems, because you are. Fixing offers you a quick emotional relief, but it doesn't get to the root issues and problems that are in your marriage. The key distinction is found in your mindset, fixing us versus healing me. Fixing the marriage or you, it focuses on outward behaviors and actions instead of the underlying wounds, which are the real problem. If you're married to a NABAL type of man, this is the mindset that leads you to accept more and more sin from him, or worse kinds of sin being done to you. But when you've got a mindset that focuses on healing you instead of fixing the marriage, then you're focusing on something real, someone you have power over. You don't have power over the marriage or the man that you're married to, just you.